Alright guys, welcome to the Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtle refurbish, repair, rebuild, what have you, whatever you want to call it. I've got all my bondoing done on this side. Anyways, what's happening next to this guy is I'm going to roll it over on its back so the coin door is facing up, and I'm going to work on the coin door area. I still have to do a little bit of fine patching here in the front on that corner that was busted out. I don't know about anything on this side because I really ain't seen it yet. I'm probably going to just round over this bottom edge because it'll get rid of all that nasty rough looking stuff. I don't really care if it's rounded over. It'll look good. It'll be, when you look down, you're gonna see a nice straight line. That's all I worry about. Fill in these holes and prep the front here for paint. Primer and paint. So next time you see this guy, it's gonna be on its back. Okay guys, got this on its back. I rounded over this edge right here, got rid of all that nasty flaky wood, got it sanded down to nice smooth wood. Nice hard smooth wood. Looks pretty good. So I'm at a little bit of a dilemma right now because I had some 80 grit 6-inch 80 grit disc pads for this because I was gonna take a good bit of this paint off front because I'm pretty sure it's latex. And I need to get that off of there. So basically right now I'm going to take when I get my sander, I'm going to sand deep into these to get the rough edge, like where it's drilled. See how it's kind of all broken up around here. I'm going to sand like a bowl into this so it's smooth, so when I put Bondo over there and sand it smooth, it's kind of feathered into the wood. Is it gonna work? I don't know, but I'm gonna try it this way this time and see how it turns out. Okay guys, my wife went and found my 80 grit disc. So I started sanding. It was just tearing it up, so I just took it all off. Why not? I'll get a better finish that way anyways. I'm gonna mix up some Bondo up these holes, sand them smooth. I'll come back on and we'll check it out. Probably gonna fill in these T-molding grooves while I got it on its back like this. And well, I don't know, maybe we'll primer it too with filler primer. I see a little bit of it's coming out here a little bit, but it's solid. I guess that's whoever glued it together from the factory left it like that. Alright guys, got the holes filled in, sanded smooth. I'm going to run over this with some 240 grit real quick, and then I'm going to go ahead and hit it with a coat of filler primer. And then I'm going to go ahead and primer the front, and probably the bottoms of these boards, at the bottom where they come to the cutoff end. All of this. coat all that bare wood with some primer. And then I need to get it up on some sawhorses on this side, so the other side's up, because I still have a few spots along the back I want to do. And then I need to do the inside of the back with those door stops and stuff. And then that's when I'll sand the top, because it'll be up a little higher, and do some sanding in here. And then I'll fill these grooves full of Bondo to be recut. And then it should be ready for primer, surface primer, and paint, and the laminate. Probably laminate, primer, then paint. Or primer, laminate, paint. I don't know yet. We'll see. Alright. Got the bottom of the wood painted to, I guess, kind of seal it up. That's how I feel about it. It seals it. I spray it real heavy so it's wet and runny, you know, so it can soak up into any of the loose wood particles and seal it together. Whether if it does or not, I don't know. I like to think it does. You can see where I sprayed heavier around where I bondoed, and right here where I rounded this over. You know, I'm gonna say bar sand, even though I know it's wrong. I'll block sand the front and all of this where you see it, so the heavy primer will be smoothed out. Sprayed the corners, bondoed at. So you can see there's no real T-molding groove. That'll be recut. So I think that's about it for this video, guys. Hang on, I gotta shut my garage door. Okay. Wind was starting to pick up and blowing the dust around, so I shut it. Where was I at? Well, this will probably be it for this video. I'll get this up on the sawhorses, like I said, and start working on the back and the tops. And should be, we'll figure out what goes on from there. So I wanted to just check out on the side view here. Nice crisp line again. Sure is a big difference from what it looked like before, guys. Quite pleased with it. See, I don't think that'll be bad with a rounded front. We'll have to see when it's done. Alright, like, subscribe. Peace.